Okay. What we're going to do here, we're going to write an equation of a line with certain conditions. So we're going to write an equation of a line parallel to y equals 3/5 x plus 8/5. This x is in the middle or in the numerator. Looks like it's in the denominator, but it's let me move it up. Just so that's clear that it's not at the bottom. Plus 8/5. So we want an equation parallel to that passing through this point. And Khadijah has volunteered to do this problem for us, and she's given us permission to post it so that it can help you. All right?
Okay. So since we already know our slope, I have to solve to get our y. So
You said we already know our slope.
Right.
What is our slope?
3/5.
And how do we know that?
Because it says write an equation of a line parallel to this equation, and the slopes are always the same in parallel equations.
Great. So we have to remember that in y equals mx plus b, when we have our equation in this form, the coefficient of x is the slope. So in this case, the coefficient of x is 3/5. So m, which represents our slope, is 3/5. And as Khadijah so wisely stated, the lines are parallel, so the slope of the equation that we're writing is also going to be 3/5 because the slopes are equal.
Okay, so now that we have our slope and we have the point, now we have to solve. So I would use the equation.
When you say we have to solve, what do you mean by that?
Solve for b.
Okay, so we're going to write an equation of a line because if you know the slope and you know b, you can always write the equation of a line. For example, if I know m is 3 and b is -2, what's the equation of the line?
Y equals 3x
Y
minus
equals
2.
m x plus b,
Oh.
okay? Or plus a -2 will be the same. So you have m, so if you can find b, you can always write your equation.
Correct.
So that's the route you're going to take. Okay.
So the formula I'm going to use is point slope form.
Are you using this?
Well, no.
That's what you said.
Okay, well I'm not using that.
Okay. So Khadijah said now she's going to use the point slope form. The point slope form of an equation is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. This is called point slope because if you know a point, which we do, a point that this equation or that this line travels through, and you know the slope, then you just substitute it here. This is your x1, y1, and that's your m.
Right.
So you plug it in, and then you're just going to reduce it.
Yes.
Okay. Or simplify it,
Yes.
not reduce it. Simplify.
So I'll have y minus 5 equals 3/5 x minus -4. And then y minus 5. I'm going to distribute, so equals 3/5 x minus 2.6 because, oh no, I'm sorry, minus 2.4 because 3/5 times a -4 is -2.4. Then,
Okay. I have a question. I guess my first question is, you have a minus here, right?
right,
A minus is a
positive.
so this actually turns into x plus 4. So when I say 3/5 times that gives me 3/5 at
X, right?
and 3/5 times this, let me just do a little sidebar on that. Times 4, right?
Yes.
That gives me 12/5.
Yes.
And 5 goes into 12. 2 times.
Right. The 2
Bring down to 0. 5 goes into 20. 4 times. That's 1 point comes straight up. Okay, so that's where you got 2.4. Or we can just use our calculators to do that division. But this should be a what?
Positive.
Ah, so let's make that a plus.
So, next I'm going to add 5 to 2.4. And then I'll get y equals 3 over 5x because these cancel out. And then plus 2.9.
Okay, I was afraid that was gonna happen. Okay, so I just want to interject a little bit more, right? Okay, we need to eliminate the -5, so we add the opposite. That does add to 0, so that's
Okay.
fine. But we have 5, right?
Yes,
Plus
positive.
2.4.
Right.
You have to line up those decimals, okay?
Okay.
Because 5 is like $5, so the decimal would be behind
Zero,
it.
zero.
You can't put the 5 in the wrong column, right?
Right.
So that's 7.4. So when you put that there, I was like, ah! Really, it should go right there.
Okay.
You can write it as a decimal if you want
Okay. So 7.4.
to. Okay?
I'm done.
Great. So this is our equation that satisfies these conditions. It's parallel to this. The slopes are the same, but the y-intercepts are different. Thank you.